For all the updates, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.
So before starting, I just wanted to let you guys know that don't expect this video to be something exceptional because I'm not a pro at cooking, but I can cook. So I thought that why not to help all you guys who are in the learning phase to know my very simple and easy mushroom and peas recipe. As it's winter, so both are available in the markets now these days. So let's get started. So for this we only need these ingredients. I have just chopped everything. 3 to 4 medium-sized tomatoes, 3.5 medium-sized onion, a lot of garlics, and of course mushroom and Mattar, that's peas. So I have just sliced mushrooms in 4 pieces. We just need 2-3 bay leaves, some cumin seeds, and some cardamoms. So for starting off, we just need to heat a pan, and first we need to fry our peas and mushroom. We'll fry them separately. So once the oil gets heated, then I'll just turn the flame to low and then add our peas on the pan. And then just cover it up and let it cook. Vessel. And on another pan we'll just need to add oil, and once the oil get warm, I'm adding hing in it, and then we'll add these dry ingredients. And now our Mattar is almost done, half fried. So we'll just take it off. And then on the same pan we'll fry our mushrooms. Remember to fry the peas first and then mushroom. I'll let you know why. And now on our another pan we'll be adding the chopped garlic, our onions, and then we'll fry it until it's half cooked. And within 2 or 3 minutes we'll add turmeric powder in it, and I'm just adding half a teaspoon of turmeric in it. It helps to get it cooked faster. And then we'll add our tomatoes. After adding tomatoes, we'll add salt in it. Again, this will help to cook it faster. Add salt according to your taste. Now it's half cooked. We add our dry spices. So first I'm putting some coriander powder, approx 2.5 teaspoon, and red chili powder. And then as you can see that mushroom leaves water, so we'll add the water and mushroom, both of them in our curry. That's why I've told you that first fry peas and then mushrooms, because it leaves water in it. And then we'll add our peas. And then we'll let it cook for 5 minutes, and then we'll add garam masala in it. Approx 1.5 teaspoon of it. and then in 15 to 20 minutes it will get ready. Once you will see these kinds of bubbles coming on its side, and that means everything is cooked nicely. If you want lot of curry, then you can add a lot of water. I don't want curry, so I'm just adding little bit of water, and this will help all the ingredients to get mixed well. And that's it, our mushroom curry is ready to serve now. You can serve it with chapati or rice. I'm serving it with chapati. So that's it. If you like this video, then give this video a big thumbs up and let me know in the comment section if you want more such videos. And make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So that's it for today. Bye.